In this worked example, for using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression, we will be looking at method calls within assignment statements. Here's the problem statement. Assume the following given declarations. Evaluate this statement. If it is invalid, give the reason. If it is valid, what is the value assigned to the variables, and note any possible side effects. The statement is row is assigned the value of beta plus Math.pow, open parentheses, delta comma alpha, close parentheses. Subgoal 1 says to determine the resultant data type of the expression. We look at the right-hand side of the assignment statement and determine the resultant data type. The expression beta plus Math.pow, delta, and alpha contains only integers, but we also need to check the API, or Application Programming Interface, of the Math.pow method. We see that pow returns a double. So now we have an integer plus a double, which would result in a data type of double. Subgoal 2 is not used in this example. Subgoal 3 says to solve the mathematical expression. Replacing the variables with their values, beta has a value of 1, delta has a value of 3, and alpha has a value of 2. So we have the expression 1 plus Math.pow, 3, 2. Math.pow raises the first parameter, or first value, to the second power. So in this case, we would square the value of 3 to get 9, and remember that it returns a double, so we have 1 plus 9.0. This results in a value of 10.0. Subgoal 4 says to look at the assignment statement and make sure the value on the left-hand side is a variable and that you can copy the data type from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. The expression on the left-hand side of the assignment statement is row, which is declared to be a double. Yes, you can assign the data type of double from the right-hand side to the data type of double on the left-hand side. This would copy the value 10.0 into the variable row. Subgoal 5 is not used for this example. So that the answer is that the statement is valid and 10.0 is assigned to the variable row. This is the end of this worked example.